How to fix incoming call not showing when on another call. So if you have an iPhone and when you're on a call, you discover that another incoming call will not have it on your phone, or you will not receive a notification from another call coming to your phone, then this video is going to walk you through how to fix this step by step. So this is called call waiting on iPhone or on Android. For you to receive another call or incoming call when you have an active call or on another call, you need to turn on call waiting. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to fix this, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now once you open the settings app, go ahead and click on the phone app on iOS 17. You should see the phone app on the settings page or earlier, but on iOS 18, scroll down and click on apps. Once you selected app, scroll down the page until you get to the phone app and then open it. Now on the phone app page, locate call waiting and click on it. Once you select the call waiting, hang on for this page to load. If the call waiting is not enabled, like this, then make sure you go ahead and turn on call waiting. Once you turn on call waiting, you should see your network changed from maybe 5G to 3G. And once the call waiting is enabled, now when next you have an incoming call and you are on another call, you should be able to receive a notification that you have an incoming call while on another call. So that is basically how to fix incoming call not showing when on another call on iPhone. So if this is often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.